Well, greetings and salutations from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, and that is a 1967 Impala Convertible. Give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to give you all the details of our latest addition, a 1967 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, and it is a very, very nice car. Now, you're going to say, where can I get all the information on this car? Well, you just can click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website and all the information and pricing and everything on this car. And our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we do a cold start, we do a walk around, give you all the details of this really remarkably well restored automobile. Let's give you some more of the details of this particular car, because if it's something you're looking for to add to your collection, we usually have cars from the 1920s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for something special, we probably have it sitting right here on the sales floor of Ellingson's. No, a 67 Impala Convertible in Ermine White, which is really a beautiful car, beautiful color for a convertible. I like that kind of color because it doesn't get quite so hot as a dark black car or something of that sort. The white is a little more responsible for keeping a little cooler, if you will. Nice car all the way around, very well preserved, never any indication of any rust or damage, whatnot. Very nice. Beautiful. What is probably one of the most reliable engines of all time, of course, a small block Chevy, little 327, 275 horse, nice options as well. A lot of these cars, back remember in '67, you had to get out the checkoff list when you went to the dealer and I want to order a new car. Well, what options and accessories would you like? You need to check them off. Well, someone obviously checked off some really nice options on this car. It's got factory power steering, factory power brakes, it's got tilt steering, power windows, it's got the automatic transmission. So those are all upgrades that people had to choose at the time when you ordered the car when it was brand new. Now, the only thing that it does have that probably isn't quite stock is probably these custom aluminum polished wheels, just to give it a little more distinctive look. Not that you couldn't put different wheels and tires on it if you wanted, but it does have the whitewall radial tires, and that is by far one of the biggest improvements on any of these old cars, no matter what, because it just handles better, turns better, stops better. Everything about the radial tires was one of the biggest improvements for any of these old cars. Let's take a look at the interior on this car. Beautiful red vinyl interior. Seat belts, of course, were required front and back in 1966, and this has all the seat belts that it certainly did come with. Original instrumentation, very nice. AM radio, however, they do have an aftermarket stereo underneath the dash, so you can get more of the AM, FM, and that kind of stuff as well. I like the fact that it's got tilt steering. That's kind of a nice feature on some of these old cars. It's easier for me to get in and out of the car, if you will. No, I love the interior on this car with the red boot. It's got a white top that, of course, is a power top. All you have to do is take the boot off, pull a switch, zip, and the top is up, and it gets you out of the rain in case you planned poorly or all of a sudden there was a surprise thunderstorm that came out of the blue, and hasn't everybody had that happen to them driving in a convertible? No, it's just, and you talk about room in the trunk. I mean, this is a car that was made for someone who had to have a couple sets of golf clubs, go out to the country club, whatever, go on vacation. You got lots of room in that trunk for anything and everything you want to take with you. That is for sure. Now you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and now TikTok. Give us a like, leave us a comment or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you'll get all the information on this car. My current inventory, which is over 100 vehicles at the moment, and you can find some information on cars we've sold over the last few years. So if you're looking for something of old car entertainment, like to look at some of the stuff we've had, take a look at those sites. They're always fun to spend some time doing that. Now, Ellingsons, we're always here ready to answer any and all questions you may have. Give us a call at 763-428-7337, and we will do our very best to answer all the questions on this car or other inventory. And we can also help you if you're saying, I need some help getting some financing. Where would you go to if you had a collector car that you wanted to purchase? Or I live out of state. How would I get a car I buy from Ellingson's and get it to me? We certainly can help you do that. We can make arrangements to get vehicles shipped anywhere in the country, and for that part, anywhere in the world. Now, I'm looking at this car saying, boy, it's a nice, comfortable car. You can easily get 6 people in it, ride comfortably, whatever, and you go, I really like the videos. I love all the information, lots of pictures. Does the car really look as good as it does? Yes, it actually does. But if you're like me, you can say, why don't I come down? I want to come and take a look at it in person. Be our guest. Absolutely, we are open Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturdays 10 to 4. So you can come and look at it in person, and that way you can be rest assured that everything is the way that it looks like in pictures. I mean, this is really an exceptionally clean car. The nice thing about our pictures, we have inside pictures, we have outside pictures, under the hood pictures, trunk pictures, under the car pictures as well. So, we try to do our very best to give you the best judgment of what this car really truly is. Now, 67 Impala, I think they only came out in 58 with the Impalas. So if you're looking for a really nice summer cruiser, you want a car that just is comfortable to drive, easy for anybody, you can get in it, automatic, you got the good tires, you've got the V8, whatever, you can drive down the road and go wherever you would like to go. We probably have that car sitting here on the sales floor, and maybe we have others that will intrigue you as well. So make sure to check out our website at EllingsonMotorcars.com, and I thank you again for watching our videos. I think this is really, really one of those outstanding examples where someone saved a car that just was really nice, and they did a super job. So thank you again, and we'll see you next time at Ellingson Motorcars.